Hey folks, welcome back to another Coal Iron collaborative video that we are making right here at Coal Iron Works. My name is David Delagardelle. I'm the marketing director here at Coal Iron Works and the owner of Cedar Lore Forge. And today I am super stoked and blessed to have my lifelong brother in the craft, bladesmithing and troublemaking at large, Mr. John Page. John, thank you for being out here.
Thank you, Dave. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, I have known John. We were just trying to, a second ago, recall how the heck did we meet? How long have we known each other?
It's been 8, 10 years.
Yeah, definitely at least a decade. I'm pretty sure we met years ago on Bladesmiths Forum and just connected on our like-minded love of bladesmithing and Tolkien and all that jazz. But of course we've stayed lifelong friends and have collaborated on a lot of different work. If you've been following my work through Cedar Lore Forge, you'll be familiar with John and know what him and I have been up to in different collaborative projects. But I'm super stoked about today, and I love what you've been doing. So you, for the past few years, have been in California, correct?
Yes, I have.
And do you want to describe to the folks the really cool woodworking realm of work that you've been doing?
Sure. So for the last about 2 years now, I've been a sawyer for Lumber Cycle. It's a nonprofit sawmill in Southern California that focuses mostly on biomass diversion, so all the trees that get cut down would normally be just chipped and thrown in the landfill. But we try to take those trees, mill them into lumber, sequester the carbon a little bit, but also provide value back into the community for furniture making, for building gardens to grow food, just about anything that you can make out of a wood product. We're trying to do, again, to kind of just prevent that from being thrown away and essentially wasted.
Yeah, it sounds like the crossroads between craftsmanship and ecological preservation, and I really love it. I think it's super cool. Very Tolkien-esque. Tolkien would love what you're doing for trees. But I love it, and you know, selfishly as his friend, I get all the scrap hardwood that he gets to save from the mill. And today I'm really excited about what you're going to teach us, because John is, you know, there's some people that you say are a jack of all trades but master of none. I'm not just blowing smoke when I truly say John is a jack of all trades and master at every single one he attempts at. And he's no newbie, no amateur when it comes to just general skillful blacksmithing. So today you'll be teaching us how to forge
blade tongs.
Yeah.
It's a relatively simple project that will be great in enhancing skills. I started as a bladesmith and didn't do any sort of blacksmithing for the first 5 years. And it's one of those projects that'll kind of dip your toes into the blacksmithing world and also build your skills, build your tool repertoire, and hopefully help you out a little bit in the forge. Yeah,
absolutely. And obviously, Coal Iron Works, we sell our presses to a lot of different bladesmiths and blacksmiths. And so if you are in that category, it's great to know how to forge your own tongs or to make ones that you're proud enough to be able to sell. So in either case, we hope this is fun, educational, and entertaining for you guys to watch. So let's stop blabbering. We're actually going to roll a couple presses in our forge out to the main production area. We're a bit in construction mode here in our normal forge area, but this larger building is where we actually build these machines. So we're going to roll this 16-ton press out into the middle of the chaos where they're building other presses. We're going to fire up the forge and we're going to get to work.
Let's do it.
Thanks for watching, guys.
So here's what we're actually going to be doing. Starting out with the selection of stock. I'd recommend a minimum of either 7/8 diameter round stock or 1 inch by 1/2 inch rectangular stock. For both of them, you'll need about 8 inches for each half of the tongs. And then before you even get it in the forge, just partitioning off about 2 inches up top for the jaws, and then a 1 inch region just below that, which will eventually be turned into the eye. You need to make sure that this section right here doesn't get forged down too thin, or else you'll have some problems with the rivet. But from there, you can either start by drawing out the reins from this section right here, drawing them out as far as you want for whatever level of springiness you desire. And then from there, moving into forging the jaws and finally punching the eye. Doing this last so that there's no distortion from forging the jaws or from forging the reins. So for these types of blade tongs, there's really two different geometries that you can have. Either the classic sort of channel and a paddle that'll hold whatever size stock you want. It's a little bit better for really thin blade material. Or this type of posing L shapes, which if you have something slightly larger, like this starting size stock, it'll hold it really well, both forging up and down and also side to side, which is a little bit better for power hammers. However, we're going to do this today. And just show you how to spread out this material, fold it over for your stock size, and then matching up the paddle for it. What I'm doing here is sequestering about 3 inches of material, and I'll save that for forging the eye and the jaws. And with the rest of the length there, approximately 5 to 6 inches, I'll forge out the range for the tongs.
And there you have it, these beautifully forged bladesmithing tongs by Mr. John Page right here. John, well done. They are lovely.
Thank you.
I'm going to proceed to steal them, or not. Actually, you should probably have them. You'll put them to good use. But in all seriousness, thank you guys for watching. John, where can folks find you on the wide interwebs?
Almost exclusively on Instagram at john.page, P-A-G, like page in a book. Yeah, if you're interested in lumber or forestry and sustainability and just weird videos in general, check out Lumber Cycle on Instagram.
Yeah, and that's the company you work with out in
is.
California. They're doing some really, really cool work. I know they are going to be putting a lot more online as you guys grow and expand as a business. They're looking for a marketing director, kind of like what I do here at Cole. So if you're interested in that kind of work and you are in California, then hit them up. Am I correct in that?
Yes, please do.
Sweet. But as always, guys, please like and subscribe. You hear that on all YouTube videos, but it really does seriously bless us a lot. It allows us to do more of these educational videos here on YouTube. And I hope this was fun, informative, and educational for all of you to watch. But until next time, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.
Ah.